Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is Nawab Kiazai. Nawabkiazai. And one more thing I would like to tell you that the same video, the same video will be available on my YouTube channel in 3 more languages. That is Biravi, Balochi, and Urdu. And as you know that we had started a series of adverbs. I say we had started. Why? Because that's going to be the end of the adverbs. Today is the last video of adverbs. Okay. So we had started a series of adverbs, and now today with this video we are going to put an end on this you can say adverb. Okay, so this is the last video of adverbs, so that's why I would like to summarize them a little bit to you, that what we had learned or we have learned in you can say previous videos of adverb. The kinds of adverb, part 1, adverb of manner. The kind of adverb, part 2, adverb of frequency. The kind of adverb, part 3, adverb of time. The kind of adverb, part 4, adverb of place. The kind of adverb, part 5, adverb of degree. The kind of adverb, part 6. In that video we had learned you can say 3 parts of adverb. There was adverb of affirmation, adverb of negation, adverb of reason in the last video. So today is the 7th video of adverbs and is the last video of adverbs. Okay, I would like to show you if it is visible in here. The kinds of adverb, part 7. So in today's video you can say we will learn about the interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. In today's video we will learn 2 things. Okay, 2 kinds of adverb: interrogative adverb, relative adverb. Okay, you can see here interrogative adverb, relative adverb. Apart from these, actually I had uploaded a lot of videos. I have uploaded, sorry, that those videos are available on my YouTube channel. If anyone wants to visit my channel, so that is as I said before, the channel name Nawab Kiazai, so he can visit that. So there are a lot of videos, okay, about the noun, pronoun, you can say, and other grammatical videos. I don't remember them now, but there are a lot. Okay, silent letters and many more, using of ing form in present progressive, and the rules of present simple for the third person singular. Those all are available there. Okay, many other videos are available there. You can find them there. So as I said before that we had learned about the pronouns, the kinds of pronoun. So in that video we had learned about interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. So in that video of interrogatives, pronouns, interrogative pronouns, I had mentioned that there are you can say 2 kinds of you can say interrogative sentences. Okay, 2 ways of you can say interrogating. One way is that by the help of helping verbs you can make you can say questionary sentences or questioning sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences like is, are, am, was, were, has, have, will. Okay, these all are helping verbs: do, did. When you put any of these, okay, okay, so in the beginning or at the beginning of a sentence, your sentence automatically will become an interrogative sentence. Okay, that's clear. Now the second part is this, that we make the sentences with the help of WH family or WH words or WH questions. Okay, whatever you call them, I don't know about you. Okay, but I know about them. We call them WH family. Okay, so now let's know what WH family can say is. WH family, you can say WH questions are, okay, WH words are who, whose, whom, okay, how, where, why, when. These, maybe there are more, what, okay, these all are called WH family. Now, in that video, I had said that you can see again, WH family has two branches, two kinds. I mean, two types, okay? Half of them are interrogative pronouns and half of them are interrogative adverbs, okay? Half of WH family is, you can say, interrogative pronouns, and the other half is, you can say, interrogative adverbs, okay? So, in that video, we had learned about the, you can say, interrogative pronouns, but in this video, in today's video, we will learn about interrogative adverbs. And along with that, we will learn relative adverbs, okay? Now, you can see this sentences here. I mean, the words, first of all, I should mention to you of, you can say, the word of WH family. Why, how much, how, when, where, okay? And the difference is this, that interrogative pronouns mostly relate to the people, okay? Mostly relate to the people, like who, whom, whose, okay? These are, you can say, interrogative pronouns. And these mostly relate to the time, place, and many things, okay? So you see why, okay, say relates to the reason, how much relates to the quantity, how relates to the status or condition, when relates to the time, where relates to the place, okay? This is the difference. Now let's read the first sentence. Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Okay, here I can say a question is asked for the reason, for knowing the reason why someone is silent, okay? Look at the sentence. Why are you silent? Okay, asking a reason, okay? Now look at the second sentence of, you can say, relative adverbs. We know the reason why he is silent, okay? We know the reason why he is silent, okay? Here a reason is asked, here a reason is mentioned, okay? These are not questions, these are positive sentences, positive statements, okay? These are questions, these are you can say positive sentences. Now let's go to the second sentence. How much do you get as a commission? How much do you get as a commission? Because some people work on, only commission. You can say they don't get, you can say, daily wages or monthly salaries. Okay, they work on, you can say, commission. Okay, so commission is not a fixed thing. Okay, sometimes you get, you can say, much. Sometimes you get less. Okay, so that's why. Look at the sentence now. How much do you get is a commission. Now here in this sentence a quantity is asked, okay? Now look at the second sentence of say, relative adverbs. We have the information how much he gets. We have the information how much he gets, okay? Look at the third sentence. How are you doing? how are you doing? Okay. So how are you doing? How are you doing means how are you? How are you doing is a little bit advanced, and you can say how are you is the simple English. Okay, but both are same. Now, how are you doing or how are you? Now the answer is not mentioned in here. Okay, answer is okay. So simple that I am fine. I am okay. I'm all right. Okay. Now look at the sentence of okay. Say how in relative adverbs. I know the way how to teach. I know the way how to teach. Actually, these both sentences are a little bit, you can say, contradictory with each other. Why? Because here we can say ask or a question is asked about a person's you can say status or condition. Okay, and here okay say the way is mentioned. Okay, the way of doing something. Okay, so this is the difference. Otherwise, both are correct. That is an okay say interrogative adverb, and here it is a relative adverb. Okay, okay. Look at the fourth sentence. When do you eat lunch? Here, a time is asked. Okay, here a question is asked about the time of something to happen or okay happens. When do you eat lunch? Okay, in that sentence, a question is asked about the time. Now, here in this sentence, okay, say once again, the time will be mentioned, but in a positive way. Okay, and you can say that relative adverbs. She knows the time when I eat. She knows the time when I eat. Means my wife knows the time, okay, when I eat. Okay, look at the last sentence now. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, now here look at the relative adverb. He showed us the place where he lives. He showed us the place where he lives. Now here I would like to tell you one thing more. I remember now that in those videos, relative that interrogative pronouns, you can say once in a video actually. I don't remember the part of that video, but in a video that we had learned, relative classes. Okay, I mean with relative pronouns. So you will find it there. I had mentioned that relative clauses or relative adverbs are the words that relate to their you can say antecedent. A word I had mentioned that antecedent. Antecedent is the word that comes before the adverb. That adverb relates to that word. That is called antecedent. Like why, reason, how much information, how, way or the way, when, time, where, place. Okay. So here these are called relative adverbs. And here I would like to tell you one more thing, that if we ask a question that where do you live, if you ask me that where do you live, so I will mention that I live in Khuzdar, okay, or I live in Gawadar, okay. Now remember one thing, that in Khuzdar, in Gawadar, these are not nouns, these are adverbs. Now you will be thinking that how sir can say that these are adverbs. Well, these are the names, the proper nouns that Khuzdar, Gawadar. So how can they be? You can say adverbs. They can be adverbs because of that preposition. Okay, I live in Khuzdar. Okay, because of in, it has become an adverb. I live in Gawadar, it is an adverb. Okay, I am from Khuzdar, it is an adverb. I am from Gawadar, an adverb. I am from Pakistan, an adverb. Okay. I am going to Pakistan, an adverb. I am going to Husdar, an adverb. I am going to Gawadar, an adverb. Only you can say Pakistan, Husdar, Gawadar. Yes, of course, these are nouns. Okay. But this, preposition makes them adverbs. Okay. And remember one thing, that whenever you mention a name, that the residence, you point out towards a residence, towards a place. Okay. To mark a place, or to mention a place. Okay. Then that is an adverb of place, because it is only the work of an adverb to point out, okay, to indicate towards a destination, a place. Okay. That is the work of an adverb. A noun cannot do that. Okay. You must understand it. For example, if we remove that, I live in Gawadar. Okay. I remove in. Okay. So I live Gawadar. Does not make sense. Okay. I live in Husdar. Now remove in. Okay. I live Husdar. Does not make sense. Okay. I am from Gawadar. Okay. Now remove from. Okay. I am Gawadar. Does not make sense. Okay. I am from Husdar. Remove from. Okay. Remove the preposition. Okay. I am Husdar. Once again, it is not, you can say, making sense. So this is the difference. When you mention the name of a place with a preposition, that is an adverb. Okay. Okay. So only you can say that, Husdar is a beautiful city. Pakistan is a beautiful country. Gawadar is a beautiful city. Of course. Yes, these are nouns. But with prepositions, these become adverbs. Okay. Adverb of place. Remember this. Okay. So I think you have understood the concept of today's video, today's lesson. Okay, the concept of interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. Okay, so this is enough for today, and I hope we will meet in a next video, inshallah azim, with a new grammatical point, maybe a new, say, part of speech. Okay, and with a new grammatical point in a new video. Okay, so till then, stay blessed.